Hello there. Welcome to this beginner-friendly tutorial on how to calculate the difference between two dates using Microsoft Excel. By the end of this guide, you'll learn how to use Excel formulas to accurately determine the number of years, months, and days between two dates. So, let's dive right in and get started with Excel made easy. We're here to make sure you'll be able to use Excel in a quick and easy way. Thanks to our digestible video tutorials. Out of several possibilities, we'll have a look at the easiest and quickest one to learn: how to calculate the difference between two dates. The most suitable function to do this kind of calculation is the function DATEDIF. We'll go through how it works right away. First, click on the target cell where you want the result to appear. Type in the equal sign and carry on with typing the function DATEDIF. Then enter the right data in the correct order into the brackets. Begin with the start date, enter a comma and finish with the end date. But we're not finished here. Enter another comma and right after it, add Y, which stands for years. That must be done to signal that we want the exact number of completed years that passed between the two selected dates. Close the brackets, press enter and ta-da! Here's the result. This function can be recycled very easily in our further calculations. Click on the bottom right-hand corner of the cell containing the formula and drag it through all the rows where we need the number of years calculated. Perfect. Excel has calculated the number of completed years that passed between the dates in each row. But we still need to calculate the number of months and days. So, let's move on and see how many months and days passed between the two dates. We'll use the same function, but we'll need it slightly amended. This is the little change we need to make to the formula. Click again on the target cell and follow the steps you've just seen. Type in the equal sign, then enter DATEDIF. Then the start date, a comma, the end date. But now, instead of typing Y, type M for months, because we want to find out the number of completed months. Close the brackets and the result appears right in front of us in the target cell. There's no easier or quicker way to calculate the accurate number of months passed between two dates. And what do you think comes in the formula to calculate the number of completed days? You're about to find out whether you guessed right. Start as usual, type in the equal sign, DATEDIF, start date and end date, all separated with a comma. And now we'll finish the formula with D for days. Close the brackets, hit enter. The number of completed days is as easy to figure out as the number of completed months or years. This is a universal way to calculate the difference between two dates, working with any time data in a table. If you found this tutorial informative, please give us a thumbs up and explore other video tutorials offered by Excel Made Easy. Enhance your proficiency with Excel effortlessly and rapidly. Thank you for watching. Be sure to click the like and subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.